Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed opening on the application of Remitly app. You will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will go down until you find this list of Remitly app and you will enter here. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget